5 steps to take after YouTube rejects monetization. Number 1, please don't panic. Calm down. Take a deep breath and please do not make decisions while you are overly emotional. Just calm down. Don't panic, okay? The first thing you should do when YouTube rejects your monetization is to go straight to your YouTube Studio dashboard. They always tell you why they rejected your request. They always tell you either because of reused content, because of copyright strike, or whatever. They always tell you why they did not approve your monetization application. So it is not left for you to go to the right places and check. So what you have to do is to go straight to your YouTube Studio dashboard and check what their reason is. Understand why they rejected your request, and then if possible take a screenshot of that message or notification or write them down. That's the first thing you should do, understanding why it was rejected. And then secondly, what you should be doing is to do a channel audit, bearing in mind the reasons they gave to you why your channel could not be monetized. It could be because of reused content, copyright strike. So bear that in mind when you are doing your audit. So now you are going to review all your videos step by step and try and figure out which of these videos fall under this reused content or whatever the reason is why YouTube is rejecting your monetization application. So if you feel like you cannot do it by yourself or you don't have enough experience to ascertain why or what is wrong or which of the video is causing these issues, reach out to someone you believe can help you and do that channel audit together. Sometimes even titles or thumbnails could be the reason why our channels are having issues. So make sure you really check everything, because when YouTube is reviewing your channel for monetization, they don't just look at one video, they check everything on your channel. So likewise, when you are doing your audit, make sure you are checking every video from old to new. All right, check everything. Check your thumbnails, check your title, even your description, your tags, everything, your comment section. Just check what could be giving YouTube that reason or the impression that your channel is not following their guidelines or their policy. Check everything. If you need help, get the help that you need. Get someone that has experience to help you check your channel very well. Do your audits very well. And if you are able to figure out the particular video or whatever it was, a live stream that caused that issue for you, please go ahead and unlist it first. And then after a few days or a week or so, you delete it. Okay. So once you know why YouTube did not approve your monetization application, you have to go ahead and clean up your channel. Fish out and figure out which video exactly caused that problem for you and remove anything that could possibly be the reason why YouTube rejected your monetization. Okay, very important. Now, after you have done your cleanup, the third thing you are going to do is to keep creating. Keep it authentic, keep it original. If there is any previous mistake you did that resulted to disapproval, stop doing it. Add originality to your content, especially if you are into the AI niche, if you are into Faceless channel. Find a way to add like human touch to your videos. Find a way to be authentic. Find a way to add, more effort to your editing skill, just make it different from what you have been presenting so far. All right. So keep creating and stay consistent. Don't be discouraged because they demonetized you or they rejected your monetization application, then you're just going to leave it there. No, you have to keep showing up. After cleaning up your channel, keep showing up, keep double your efforts, create more authentic and original videos, bring it out there, be consistent, because YouTube loves to see their creators being creative. It's called creators, right? So you have to be creative. So copying someone else's content and pasting it on your own channel is not considered as creativity. So if you have been, using low efforts to create your videos, once you have cleaned up your channel, make sure that you are presenting and bringing quality videos, original videos to your channel. Don't quit and don't give up, all right? Then the fourth thing you should do is to refresh your channel's presentation. Now, this is going into changing your banner, changing a little bit about what your channel is about, updating your description, updating your bio, just like refreshing everything about your channel. So this is an opportunity for you to do that. Refresh your channel. Change the description, change the banner, your profile picture, just give it a different touch. Now, when I say update your description, I'm talking about your channel's about section. Make sure that you are adding relevant keywords to your niche. Add it there. Don't just put one sentence there, okay? Elaborate what your channel is, use searchable keywords, phrases in your description. Add links to your about section, how they can find your Instagram links, your Facebook links, any other social media platform that you have. You can add those links there. This presents you as a real person. It creates more transparency on YouTube and all that. So all these things comes or adds to you being authentic and original on YouTube, all right? Make your channel look like a real creator space. Make it look professional, okay? Don't just have a channel and it doesn't look organized, right? Make it presentable. And of course, the fifth thing you should be doing is, of course, fix your channel, and then reapply, because you can actually reapply for monetization after 30 days. But before you do that, make sure you have cleaned up, make sure you have followed the steps I just listed here today, and make sure that when you are reapplying, your most recent videos are clearly showing a huge difference from your previous videos you had before you applied for monetization and it got rejected. Okay, there has to be a huge difference. You cannot just go ahead and delete the videos that had problems and then you still continue with the same style of upload or the same quality or the same type of thing that you used to do. There has to be an improvement. Okay, YouTube have to see that, okay, this person has really tried to improve, they have adjusted, they have made corrections and all that. It is really important that they see that. So before you reapply after 30 days, make sure that you have followed the steps, you've corrected your mistakes, and when it comes to following YouTube guidelines and policy, you know that you are very sure of yourself that yes, my channel is okay now. If you are not sure, still consult somebody that has experience, someone that can help you check. If you are not sure, just find someone that is good in this thing, that has experience. Let them check your channel. You go ahead and reapply. Okay, very important. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Angela and I am the face behind this channel, and I am always passionate to bring you updates, tips, strategies, anything at all that can help you grow faster here on YouTube. And I also share my experience with you, share my mistakes. Just know that whatever I teach here, I have maybe experienced it, or I know someone that has experienced it so firsthand. So I bring you information so that you don't have to make that mistake. Okay, mistakes are part of the journey. That's true. But you are able to learn from others who are ahead of you, who have already made that mistakes, and you correct it already. Your journey to monetization will definitely be faster, because mistakes, though it's part of the process, can also slow you down. All right. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section. Do you know someone who got rejected for monetization? Have you experienced it yourself? How did you fix it? What are the steps you took? If there is anything I did not remember to mention in this video, please share in the comment section. Let's encourage, motivate, and inspire each other in this journey. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And until next time, bye bye.